Yesterday, in the night around 4 o'clock, in the morning 4 a.m., a thunder clouds have been developed over the Karnataka region. But because the winds were prevailing northwesterly, the same clouds which has been developed in the southern Karnataka region or interior Karnataka region, it has been blown towards the गोवा रिजन. कालचा जो पाऊस होता तो प्री मॉन्सून शॉवरच्या मध्ये येतो, बट दिस इज नॉट द ऑनसेट ऑफ मॉन्सून ओवर गोवा. बेसिकली onset of monsoon over Kerala is delayed by another 48 hours. It is predicted by IMD that it will arrive at Kerala on 8th of June. Goa is going to get the monsoon arrival on 12 to 15 in between, and before that the thunder showers will take place for further another 3 to 4 days. For today we have issued the extreme weather rainfall also, that is the light to moderate rain thunder showers is likely to occur at isolated places, and the rest 4 days very light rain will prevail in scattered places for further 4 days.